Well, hey guys, this is Josh Nelson, and I'm super excited to have a workshop coming to you, courtesy of the high-level community, what we're calling the Client Attraction Workshop. Now, I've become known for my agency, Plumbing and HVAC SEO, which grew to multiple seven figures, made the Inc. 5000 list 4 years consecutively, and become known as someone that has proven strategies for landing clients on a consistent basis in the agency space, but also doing it in a way that attracts clients. So it gets clients to come to you pre-positioned to buy rather than you having to chase them down. And so Sean and Robin and Paulson and the team there said, look, we really want you to unpack that strategy, that formula for the high-level community. And so I said, yes, let's do it. I've got 4 sessions that we're going to be unpacking this for you guys in depth. The first is going to be the Client Attraction Game Plan, and that's going to be looking at the things you need to put in place from a high level to properly position yourself in your niche for the ideal clients that you want to attract, and then the key strategies that you're going to want to leverage, cold outreach and inbound marketing and content production and all of the different strategies that we found to be most effective to get new clients month in and month out in your digital marketing agency. So that's going to kind of lay the foundation. During session 2, we're going to unpack the ultimate agency funnel, right? And this isn't as complicated as you think, but there's nuance to it, right? There's lots of ways to sell things. For selling digital marketing agency services in SaaS specifically, we want a funnel that gets people to raise their hand, schedule it on our calendar, get warmed up, and show up to their meetings excited about what you have to sell, kind of sort of pre-positioned to buy. So we're going to really walk you through that funnel and show you exactly how you can set that up to position yourself and to get new clients coming in and month out. Session 3, we're going to talk about the cold outreach formula. We're all coming into this business at different places. Some of us already have really successful agencies with lots of clout and authority. Others of us, we're just kind of getting started. We need to get some momentum. We need to get some prospects. And so what we found is cold outreach can be hard, but if you do it correctly, you can still do it in a way that takes strangers, your ideal customers, gets them to know you, gets them to be influenced by some piece of value, and gets them to raise their hand. And so during this session, we're going to be talking about the proven cold outreach strategies that we found work best in terms of how to get the list, what type of messaging to send, and how to get it delivered in a way that gets prospects excited about what you can do. And then session 4, we're going to bring it all together with the client attraction method, which is how can you put great content into the world, whether it's webinars, live events, books, how you position yourself as a person of authority in your niche, and get it out in front of your ideal customers so that they're magnetized to kind of enter your world, to enter your funnel, and ultimately become clients. And so this is the Client Attraction Workshop. We're going to unpack these 4 sessions with you. It's going to be awesome. I really hope that you block the time in your calendar, you attend these sessions all out. I promise you, at the end, you'll have a better understanding of how to land clients month in and month out in your agency and have a proven methodology to position yourself and get clients to come to you without having to chase them down. So I hope you're as excited as I am. We're going to make it awesome. I look forward to see you there.